know both of the opposite direction buzz saws. This is side opposite left, but the left is overhand, right is under. And then from here, what I can do is I can tap myself with both of them and then go into the other opposite direction. So now I'm in side opposite right. And what you're doing is this buzzsaw, tap back, buzzsaw, tap back, buzzsaw, tap back, buzzsaw, tap back. And then just as a perspective, even though I wouldn't perform it this way, note that I move my head to the side of the one that's going down to make space for the other one to go over my shoulder. And then let's just do one hand at a time. We'll start with the left hand overhand, and then we start in the circle. You bring it down, you tap yourself on your butt, you come out underhand. And then from here, you stay in the middle, still between the arms, right? So it's still on the right side of the left arm. And then you bring it up behind your back, tap your back, and then come back down and overhand back to the beginning. So it's a circle, and then a tap on the butt, and then another circle, and a tap on the back. And a circle, and a tap on the butt. A circle, tap on the back. Circle to the butt, circle to the back, 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 circle to the butt, and 5 more sets, and butt, and circle, and butt, and 3 more sets, circle, now down to butt, and back, and butt, and last one, now back, circle, butt. Okay, now let's do the other hand. The other hand starts in underhand, and then this one is going to come up, tap on the back, then you're going to come back, circle and overhand, and then bring it down and tap on the butt. And then you'll come back up where you started. So it'll be back to the circle, and then butt to the circle, back to the circle, butt to the circle, and back to the circle, butt to the circle, back to overhand circle, butt to underhand circle, back, overhand, butt, underhand, 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 back. Okay, one thing that I do want to point out is right now, because I was having you do it slow at first, you are letting it hit and then rest there. Let the hit act as if it's a bounce, as if you're bouncing a basketball, so that it propels it back up, and then from there, slingshot it back to the front so that it doesn't linger on your back. Okay, let's do 5, butt, and back, and 4 more, butt, then to the back, and 3 more, butt, and up to the back, and 2 more, butt, up to the back, and last one, butt, up to the back. Nice. Okay, we're gonna try it with both. So with the left one overhand and the right one underhand, let's get them in same time. And then what you'll do is you'll come down with the left hand so that you can slap yourself on the butt, and come up with the right hand so you can slap yourself on the back at the same time. And then you come into the opposite direction where the left hand is underhand and the right hand is overhand. So you can start from that position where your left is down here in your crotch, just not moving, as if you just tapped yourself, and your right is on your back. And then what you do is you'll pull your left one up into underhand like that, and then you'll push your right one over the top into overhand like that. So if we did that a little faster, the left one's down here, the right one's up here, and then we would bring the 2 of them into the center like that, and then tap the other way, and then back to the center. Yes, 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 and tap and circle, and tap and circle, tap, circle, tap and circle. Just also accidentally did, where you take out the buzzsaw in the middle and you're just doing, you know, tap to tap to tap to tap. And then at any point in time, come back to having the buzzsaw there.